In my Laragon server, I am facing the issue and click the PHP is not recognized. When we edit environment, when you click this, here you can check that is PHP is my first, but PHP is not getting here, so we have to change the PHP version. We have to check the PHP location where it is located. This is my actual location of Laragon. Here this is, so copy the path and edit environment, click here, click this path and temp. Okay, then click edit, save, again click edit. This is okay. So okay, now cmd again open, cmd php. Now PHP is getting loaded, that means PHP is okay. So PHP version, it is 8.2.12. this is the version build. We can solve this by way. So Laragon, you have to check this, where is the PHP location, just check here. So the location check Laragon bin. After the Laragon, this is the Laragon server, click here and click the bin, then click the PHP. Here is the PHP location. This is, you can use this here. Also I can use this here, and if I click, so you can use here. Thank you.